Hola and happy Cinco de Mayo, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 361st episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all you my favorite Mexican side dish and the must-have in all Mexican dishes. We're going to make Mexican rice, aka Spanish rice. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and this tastes just like you would get at a Mexican restaurant. Everybody's going to fall in love with this side dish. It is mouth-watering tasty. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Mexican recipes playlist and my previous video, old-fashioned butter cookies. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your tomatoes, your cumin, and your rice sugar, because we're about to cook some Mexican rice magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I added in a 1/4 of a cup of canola oil. And we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of chopped green onions. Give that a quick stir. And we're going to let the green onions fry for about 5 minutes. Alright, my friends, 2 hour green onions. We're going to add in 3 cloves of garlic that I minced. Stir that in and continue frying for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, my friends, I'm through sauteing my green onions and garlic, and off camera I removed them from the pot. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Ain't nothing like the smell of onion and garlic cooking. I added some more oil. And we're going to add in 2 cups of long grain white rice that I washed. Give that a quick stir. And we're going to brown and toast the rice. Going to give it a great nutty flavor. And we're going to let the rice toast for about 10 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the rice is nice and toasty. Beautiful golden brown. Alright. That looks great. Now we're ready to add in our last few ingredients. We're going to slowly add in 3 cups of vegetable stock or broth, or you can use chicken. The reserved green onions and garlic. 2 cups of crushed tomatoes. And my seasonings, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, an 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Give all this a quick stir. And we're going to cut the fire up to high and bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the rice came to a boil. So all we do now is cover it. Going to cut the fire down to low and let the rice simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then we'll have us some good old Mexican rice. Alright, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, ready for the grand finale? Here we go. Oh yeah. It smells incredible up in this kitchen. Look at those tomatoes on top and the green onions. So now I'm gonna fluff it up. All right, our Mexican rice is ready to serve. So now I'm gonna put it in the bowl and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Mexican rice, aka Spanish rice. Doesn't that look good? And I garnish it with some fresh cilantro. Isn't that pretty? All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. It's moist. It's flavorful. Bursting with Mexican goodness. I love me some Spanish rice. Please give this recipe a try. Delicioso. Mexican rice-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Eat, much love, stay safe, and happy Cinco de Mayo. Adios.